In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in WhatsApp. Before we continue, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. To do this, open the Play Store on Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then search for WhatsApp. Once you find the app, tap on it. If an update is available, the blue Open button will instead say Update, so make sure you update WhatsApp to the latest version first. After that, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device. As you can see, we're now inside WhatsApp. What you want to do next is tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings. This will take you into your settings, and if you scroll slightly, you'll see an option called App Language. Tap on App Language, and you'll be able to change your language to any of the available options in WhatsApp. For example, if you want to change the language to Italian, simply select Italian, and as you can see, the language changes instantly. So that's how you can change the language in WhatsApp. With that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate it. If you could drop a like below the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this.